So here's something that can make a lot of games a lot better. Graphics. So we can go into costumes and make some sort of explosion thing. Let's zoom out to make it appropriate size. Then we can get this nice red. Zoom. Get it a lot bigger. There. Now we can just create some sort of explosion. There. I didn't spend a lot of time on this. Anyway, but we can call it boom. And now we can go back to the rocket ship. Now we need the same thing in the rocks. So we can drag this to the rocks and wait until that sprite wiggles around. And now there it is. Now right here we need to switch costume to boom. That means that if it's touching this color, it'll boom. Now this means that when we explode that, it'll not go back to the regular. So we're going to switch the costume to rocks at the beginning of the game. Now, right here, we're broadcasting a message. So we broadcast a message, which can be found in here. And then in rocket ships, we need a receiver. We need to, when it's touching, we need to switch the costume to boom. Now, same thing, we don't want to be playing as a boom explosion all the time, so we need to switch back to rocket ship A at the beginning of the game. Now, if I die, now, in the stage, which we haven't done anything in yet, we can choose a new backdrop, go to space here so we can have a wide assortment. Not that wide though. And I'm going to pick stars since I really like that. Now, we want a game over backdrop so everybody knows that you died. Of course, a big explosion is kind of obvious, but anyways, we want a nice red. And we can just make it pixel and put on caps lock and make it really ominous. Game over. Now we need to make this really big. There. That's pretty good, and we can call this backdrop game over. Turn off caps lock. Now we can switch the backdrop to stars at the beginning. And then when he receives die, which is the same thing that makes the rocket ship explode, it'll switch the backdrop to game over. Now, when we die, we explode, and we switch the backdrop. There we go. That's our graphics. Leave a like down below if you want me to make more Scratch tutorials.